Having a really good night tonight, y'all. I'm so excited. Welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of like vlog style and get ready with me. So I'm like trying something new today, and I just wanted to try and see what this was going to be like. And I am really excited to have you guys come with me. We're gonna be taking over Atlanta, y'all. Not really, but anyway, so make sure you stay tuned for the vlog portion. We're gonna be like going out and stuff, and the next scene is actually just like the get ready with me portion. So make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, don't just watch my videos, make sure you subscribe and become a Lo Baddie, okay? Because we're having fun over here. We're getting ready, we're getting cute, like, yeah. So anyway, make sure you guys stay tuned to the end for the vlog portion, and yeah, let's just get straight into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is thelolomonty. If you're a return subscriber, hey. So today we are going to be reviewing Unice hair, which I love Unice hair, y'all. And honestly, their packaging is now different. So now here is their new packaging, and y'all are probably wondering why I have this leave out and rollers, and honestly that's because we are going to be putting a V-part wig on. So I'm going to take these rollers out in just a second, but I just wanted to show you guys what all, you know, it came with or whatever. So on the inside was this bag with this brush, this scarf, a wig cap, and of course some eyelashes. So they always hook you up with some little goodies or whatever. Yeah, girl, we're gonna get this right. So I wanted to try a V-part wig, because U-part wig, sometimes you have to kind of leave out a lot of the hair, and so I don't know, like I just wanted to try like the V-part wig or whatever. And if y'all see me looking off, I'm looking into the monitor. So yeah, so I'm gonna just pop this on. There's some people I've seen online that didn't put any leave out, but obviously I'm doing this with leave out, and there's some combs at the bottoms as well, and an adjustable little strap. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Y'all can see I have these rollers in my hair because I straightened my hair earlier. I put like little rollers so it can kind of stay straight. So I don't know if that worked or if it did anything, but if not, I'm just gonna curl it with the hair. This looks so funny. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on real quick, y'all, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl the hair. So anyway, I missed you guys. Like for a while, I just feel like I was not posting as much, and I was just like, I can't wait to get back on here and talk and start doing cute little videos or whatever. So obviously, this video is a get ready with me, and I will be going to Rock Steady. I don't know if anybody from Atlanta has ever been there, but Rock Steady is kind of like a little lounge place, and they play good music. It's a good vibe or whatever, and the crowd is pretty cool. So I'm gonna be going there, and then I'm trying this new restaurant called Louisiana Bistro. So I've seen it a few times. I think it's like in the downtown area of Atlanta, but I've seen it a few times. I've always kind of like wanted to try it or whatever. I feel like a lot of restaurants in Atlanta don't really have like a Cajun flair to it. So that'd be kind of cool to try something new. But yeah, I'm just gonna lay my hair over this, and y'all, I did not bring my comb. Let me go grab my comb real quick, and I'm gonna be right back. So now that I've attached it on, I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb it kind of flat, but first I'm gonna use some heat protectant, because this is really important, guys. You have to protect your hair with some heat protectant. So I'm just gonna look in my mirror right here, just spray this. At first, I really wasn't impressed with the food here, but now I kind of just want to like try some new spots and just see. because everyone tells me like the food is just so good here and there's just so many restaurants and all this and that. So comment below if you know of any restaurants in Atlanta that I should try. I've tried a few restaurants that I kind of like, and y'all seen some in vlogs and stuff like that too, but really I really want to go to the Garden Room, y'all, and I've been wanting to go there for a really long time, but it's so hard to get a reservation there. So if y'all know somebody that knows somebody, let me know, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl this, guys, and then I'm gonna come back on here and style it, but I am trying to hurry up because I'm trying to be out by a certain time, so I like to get these videos done before I leave. But I feel like I'm that friend that like gets ready and takes the longest, so I'm trying to make sure I hurry up and get out a little early today. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and move through this and I will show you guys how I'm going to style this hair, and then I'm going to show you guys my outfit and my fragrance. You can even see me. All I need is be on you. Wanna say like me? Yeah, wanna you call and you talk to a girl. I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see who's giving you what you need. Waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure, if you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you wanted I see, and I am who I am, and I be where I be. If you ever did me on a late night. Okay guys, so this is how the hair came out. As you can see, it's really cute. The leave out, hopefully it will stay. I'm gonna put a little bit of Gots to Be on there. But yeah guys, like I love the hair. Definitely quality hair. It's soft, holds a curl really well. Just beautiful, gorgeous, y'all. So anyway, I'm just gonna get into today's fragrance and outfit. Well, I'm gonna show the outfit in the next clip. So today we're gonna be using the Red Temptation by Zara. Y'all, when I tell you it was so hard for me to get my hands on this one because it's actually a dupe for the Baccarat Rogue 540. This one smells, I mean, very close to it, and it was $35, y'all. So this was at Zara. I saw that it was sold out online for such a long time, so I had to click the notify me in the email and got my hands on it. Once I got the notification, I went ahead and just ordered it really quick because Lenox Mall didn't have it in Atlanta, and also Perimeter Mall didn't have it. So anyway, so I ended up getting it online, and I was so excited. So I'm gonna use this today.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my outfit. I just laid it out and I'm running a little bit behind, so I'm trying to hurry up, and you guys can come with me. Well, I'm probably going to be going to Rocksteady, and I might be going to Buckhead Shops afterwards, along with Louisiana Bistro. So definitely come along for my little day out. I was so happy to do this get ready with me, guys, and y'all saw me do my hair. I did my makeup off camera, but I definitely had a nice little fragrance for you guys, so make sure you go and get that from Zara. And then I'm gonna get into this outfit. Okay guys, so here is the outfit. I know you guys can barely see it. These are the shoes. Like I said, I know you guys can barely see it, but when I get outside, I'm gonna show you guys the outfit a little bit better. But yeah, this is the dress that we're working with. It is from Shein, and it's kind of cold outside, so I'm probably gonna put a jacket on. But anyway, this is the outfit, and I'm gonna be wearing this bag with it. Guys, you probably can barely see me. I'm in the parking garage right now, and I'm gonna be headed to Rocksteady in a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna let my friend drive my car though, and we're gonna head up there. But I'm going to probably just be vlogging like the rest of my night. So it's gonna be just like nightlife and Atlanta vibes. Rocksteady. I really don't like the way this quality is looking. I probably have to get outside before it looks like it's supposed to look. So let's see. I feel like, and I'm not putting my seatbelt on because I'm literally getting ready to stop the car anyway, but okay, that's much better. So anyway, this hair is from Unice Hair. I just did a video on it, and I'm gonna be having a really good night tonight, y'all. I'm so excited, and I'm glad my hair came out really, really good. And then yeah, we just gonna basically have a good night.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me? Feel us. West Coast, feel me? Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me? West Coast, feel me? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me? Say what? West Coast, feel me? Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got my figure. East Coast, feel me? West Coast.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up till the morning. That ain't your car, you just a listen, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that phone, I'm performing. The black ain't just can't.
Okay, so we are about to go to Louisiana Bistro. It's like no light on any of these sides of the street. Oh, these heels.
Well, I guess I'll go stand in there, I guess.
The lighting on this camera, I feel like, is not that light. But so, they already know to bring the car?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So, we're about to grab the car with the valet. Then we're going to head to Louisiana Bistro. How far is it? It's in Buckhead? Okay. So yeah, we're about to just go probably like 10 minutes away and go there, and I'm gonna vlog it too. Why does that look like that? Okay. Go to where? Oh yeah, it's a place in the back, y'all, that we wanna go. I know it is chilly. But yeah, I'm gonna try that place too.
Cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Juke too hot, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid, bad little vibe. She been on my mind. As soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Juke too hot, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid, bad little vibe. She been on my mind. As soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night, started with a.
We are in the car, about to get, how many minutes do you think we're away? Okay, so we're about 10 minutes away. Yeah, we're about 10 minutes away from the place. But yeah, we're just having a conversation, y'all. Maybe I won't share that, but maybe I shouldn't. The Atlanta man. Oh Lord, I'm gonna do a separate video about dating in Atlanta and just think
You're gonna get views on that.
yeah, all right, it's about some things. But anyway, yeah, guys, so we're on the way there. I'm gonna get back on here when we're actually at the eating place. Okay, y'all, so we're about to go to Louisiana Bistro, and I've been seeing this place sometimes. Like I'll pass by it, and I've always thought if it was good or not, so we're gonna try it. That's me being excited.
Oh, get here, girl. Trying to ball, girl.
Oh no. Are you drinking? At this point, well, I didn't already get a glass of wine. A cute drink.
It's just like I just gotta get one.
Yeah, just to you know, have you a cute little drink. They got a lot of drinks here. A lot of like cocktails and stuff. option.